In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Duolingo app icon. Sometimes, the Duolingo app icon might look weird or sad. You may notice that it appears to be melting or not looking right at all. But don't worry, we can easily fix it. So, what's going on with the Duolingo app icon? This change is actually part of a clever marketing tactic employed by Duolingo. It's designed to grab your attention and pique your curiosity. But don't worry, this isn't linked to any issues with your account or device. When you haven't opened the app for a while, it might switch up its appearance to encourage you to come back and engage with the lessons again. After all, who doesn't want to know why their favorite language learning owl looks different? The primary reason behind this icon change is simple: inactivity. If you haven't been using the Duolingo app regularly for a while, it may trigger this visual shift as a nudge for you to return. So if you've been away from your language lessons for some time, this could be why you're seeing the weird app icon. Now that we understand why this happens, let's talk about how to potentially fix it if you'd prefer your usual icon back. Check if there's an update available for the Duolingo app. Sometimes simply updating can restore the original icon appearance. Open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Duolingo. If an update is available, tap Update. If updating doesn't work right away or no updates are available, don't fret. The app might revert back to its original look after some time naturally. Just keep using it regularly. For Android users experiencing persistent issues, another solution is clearing the cache or data of the application. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the application entirely. This can often resolve any lingering visual glitches. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.